We have volunteers at the finish line who will keep all the stall holders. Please kindly visit the stalls. Right at the beginning, I would also like to thank Brother Tojamal, who's our lead organizer, and his whole team, and all of our volunteers who have given day and night over the last few weeks in order to make sure this event is organized as smoothly as possible. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept their efforts. And I would like to wish you all the best. Inshallah, you can hit your personal best in making this run a success for yourself. But
if I can have brothers and children and little girls as well, just to spread out a little bit. So we're going to do a warm-up, 5 minutes, no more, inshallah. Just a warm-up. First, second and third, we've got prizes for. You'll be awarded prize at the end, inshallah. And we'll keep the time for those first, second and third place winners. However, you're advised to keep your own timing. We don't have chip timing this year. You'll have to keep your own timing. Please keep an eye on the clock at the start line and at the finish line. 3, please, as you know, the park is being used by public. Please bear in mind when you're running or when you're walking that you keep an eye for other park users. We're requesting every runner to be on your left-hand side. So when you're running, please stay on your left as much as possible, bearing in mind that there are other public users. Just wanted to thank making this run a success for yourself, but whatever time you take, inshallah, it's the participation that counts. So don't worry about winning. The fact that you're participating in a bigger cause is what makes the difference, inshallah. So best of luck. I wish you all the best, inshallah, and I'll see you at the other end as you complete the race, inshallah. Jazakumullah khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Jazakallah khair, Brother Junaid, for your introduction and a nice welcome to all our runners and all our participants today. Just a few announcements that I think I need to quickly go through some of the logistics that for you to be all aware. Please bear in mind, those who are here to win the race, as we mentioned that there are some prizes from each age category. You will have to pick up a wristband at lap number 2. We have volunteers stationed with a orange color wristband, so make sure that you're picking a wristband when you're starting the lap 2. Without the wristband, we're not going to be able to give you the prize from each age category. So please make sure that you're collecting the wristband. There's a lap 2 in the course that you'll have to do. That's the first thing. Secondly, we've changed the lineup a little bit this year due to the feedbacks that we received a few years. Each age group will be lining up according to your color. So we will call out the colors for you to line up at the start line. So please make sure you listen out for the colors from the age group.